Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about bed frames. You guys, this is the ZINUS Shalini Upholstered platform bed frame. I am such a huge fan of ZINUS. If you guys didn't know, they are an amazing seller on Amazon. They have a great reputation. They make really high quality beds, and not only beds, they also make the mattress too. So if you're in the market for both, ZINUS is just a great company to go through, just easy as pie. Order on Amazon, shows up at your house a few days later, and bam, you have a whole new bedroom. So totally easy, totally awesome. And you know that you can do that confidently because ZINUS has tens of thousands of 5-star reviews. They have an amazing reputation and they offer a 5-year warranty. So you know that you guys are gonna be happy with this. As far as assembly goes, it is so easy. ZINUS is one of those companies that just makes everything simple. You're gonna get one box. Everything is labeled, everything is easy to put together. Actually, this design, all of your like screws and instructions, even the L brackets and stuff are going to be inside a zippered compartment in the headboard. So just, you know exactly what everything is. It's gonna be really easy to put together. Under an hour. And I love that this design does have that headboard compartment to put all of the stuff, because if you do ever have to move the bed and need to take it apart, that just makes it so much easier to know exactly where all of the bed stuff goes, you know? This is a great design. It comes in 3 different colors. You're gonna have a gray, a beige, and a sage. I love the sage, it's so pretty to choose from. It's got that tufted design. Very, very pretty upholstered, gonna go with everything, timeless, a real classic. This is a platform bed. It's got the slatted base. It's super sturdy. They have an improved design to where this is just really, really no noise, no squeaks, no creaks, and it supports up to 700 pounds. So it's a very, very sturdy, durable bed. You are absolutely gonna love it. Go ahead, put it in your cart. You'll be so happy you did.